In this video, I will show you how to download your Gemini conversation as a PDF document. First, open Google Chrome and go to the Gemini conversation you want to save. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. Go to Extensions and select Visit Chrome Web Store. Search for Gemini PDF. Then install the AI Exporter extension by clicking Add to Chrome and Add Extension. Once it's installed, return to your Gemini conversation, click the extensions icon in Chrome, and open AI Exporter. Make sure Gemini is selected, then choose PDF. If nothing happens, simply refresh the page and try again. The extension will generate and download your conversation as a PDF file, which you can find in your Downloads folder. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.